On Friday, Tripura Grameen Bank held an annual press meet. Tripura Grameen Bank Chairman Satyendra Singh and General Manager Anup Kumar Shah were present. Tripura Grameen Bank's deposits have increased by 14.38% in the current financial year, Tripura Grameen Bank Chairman Satyendra Singh said at a press conference at its head office on Friday. Grameen Bank General Manager Anup Kumar Shah and others were present at the press conference. They presented various information about the bank.
So many digital initiatives in the financial year 24-25. We have increased access and convenience for our customer by internet banking, mobile banking, QR code, WhatsApp, SMS banking. In Tripura Grameen Bank has already actively participated in government-sponsored schemes such as Swalamban, PM Vishwakarma, Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, PM Shwanidhi, PM Surya Ghar Yojana, and various social security schemes and DBT schemes, disbursing benefit to lakhs of beneficiaries of Tripura. We have a mammoth branch network in the state. You all are aware that right now we are having 150 branches along with 12 ultra small branches and already deployed 476 business correspondents to serve remote and underserved areas. We have already onboarded self-passbook updating machine at 7 locations across states. WhatsApp banking has already been implemented. In last year, we have already added in our fold banks on 2 more solar-powered mobile ATM vans, that is TGV on wheels. We have achieved Champions Medal in Atal Pension Yojana Olympics 2024-25 campaign given by our PFRDA, Government of India. In Atal Pension Yojana, I just want to share you that Atal Pension Yojana, from last 3 years, we are continuously getting reward and recognition and award. In last financial year, our rank is second across country among all 43 states. In 19 regional Saras Fair, TGB has grabbed the first position award in the best departmental stall category. Tripura Grameen Bank have always been more than just a financial institution. We are a partner in progress, committed to the holistic development of rural Tripura. Our employees are not just bankers, they are change agents working tirelessly to bring banking services to the doorstep of the last mile. Looking ahead, as we step into the new financial year, our priority remains clear: more digital transformation of rural banking, enhancing credit delivery to priority sectors, strengthening financial literacy and financial inclusions of our states, ensuring continued asset quality and profitability.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khurang.